To request time off, we'll start by logging into the employee experience from the PrimePoint.com home screen. In the top right menu, you'll see a link to the employee experience. Clicking on that link will bring you to the login screen. Enter your username and password. And click the login button. Once you're logged in, on the right side of your screen, you'll see a link to Time and Labor. Clicking on that link will pass you through to the time system. To request time off, in the Quick Links widget on your home screen, click the Request button. The request screen is broken up into two areas. On the right side of the screen, you'll see your balances. The balances will show any time that you have accrued, which would include time earned this year plus time carried over from the prior years. If any time is taken, it will show in the Taken column, and clicking on the hyperlink for that particular date would show you when you took that particular type of time off. If your manager has pre-approved you for time in the future, that request will sit in the scheduling column, and again, clicking on the hyperlink will display the day or dates in the future that you were approved. The difference in the math between what you have accrued minus what you have taken minus what you have scheduled is your current balance. On the left side of the screen is the time off request tool. In some companies, your manager will input the maximum number of days that people can be out on vacation. So if I were to choose the time off from the list of vacation, I would see on the calendar any days that were not available because the maximum number of people are already off. Assuming the date that you want to take or the days is not part of that list, you have options to request either a single day, part of a day, or multiple days. Multiple days will allow you to request several days with only one request. So if I choose multiple days, I will have two calendars. I would pick the from and to date. So let's say I wanted to go on vacation in August. I would move to the August date in the calendar and pick from August 13th to August 17th. Optionally, when I scroll down, there is a comments box. If I want to tell my manager a comment about this particular type of time off, I can do that. So in my case, vacation in South Carolina. Once I've completed the comments, in the top right corner of the screen, I click the Submit Request button. And when I do, a couple of things will happen. The first is I will see that that time is pending approval, and my manager will receive an email notification with the dates of this request. Once a manager makes the approval, the balance change will be reflected, and those dates will move into the scheduled column.